looking to stay warm in your golf cart during the colder months? Are you trying to eliminate more wind or stay protected from the elements? Our drivable golf cart enclosures provide the perfect fit for your E-Z-Go, club car, or Yamaha golf cart. Universal features across all models include four-sided clear vinyl for maximum visibility, reinforced water and mud protection, dual inside and outside heavy-duty zippers, easy snap-on design which makes installation and removal a breeze. You no longer have to dread driving your golf cart in the rain and cold temperatures. Get your drivable golf cart enclosure today at Pete's Golf Carts and protect yourself and your golf cart. The enclosure filmed in this video is on a 2014 Yamaha G29 or Drive golf cart.